Okay, so here's the second way you can look at literal price action to determine where the strong and weak stocks are and where the true relative strength and weakness is without having to use the indicator. Because the indicator is the rate of change of the rolling relative strength, you have to wait for things to unfold, and it kind of tells you what happened. But it's not telling you generally what's going to happen. So, okay, in the middle here, we've got SPY. So this is the micro ES, and this is just SPY. They're pretty much the same chart. And we're going to use that as a gauge now that the morning has unfolded to see where the weak and the strong stocks are. So some of these weak and strong stocks aren't necessarily as strong or as weak as you might think. But if you use these two pivot point highs, so you got a high here, and then you got a high here, which is higher than that high. You can take a look over here. Snapchat doesn't really fit the bill just yet. I'm still stuck in this one from here, but I think it's going to be okay. But I might consider scratching out, especially if this bull trend doesn't continue. But then if you look at AMD and Tesla, they have been fantastic all through the morning, especially compared to SPY. And then I have another short there that should be okay, and another couple short options. So instead of just looking at the individual candles, you can also, once enough of the day has unfolded, zoom out and you can see the overall trendiness of your intraday charts that have good D1s. And that can also tell you whether or not you're safe to stay in some stocks, or you should maybe bail on a position or not enter a position just because the current two candles are looking good.